Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 30 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given for Gauss-Markov linear model expectation of yi is equals to alpha I1 beta 1 plus alpha I2 beta 2 plus dot 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 plus alpha IP beta p where I is equals to 1 to n and variance of yi is equals to sigma square and covariance of yi yj are 0, that is yi yj are uncorrelated. Now consider the following statements. The statement 1 says that if alpha 1 to alpha p are linearly independent where p is less than equals to small n, then the Gauss-Markov linear model will be of a full rank. The second statement says that if all the parameters betas are fixed constants, then Gauss-Markov model is called a fixed effect model. Now we have to choose one of these given four options. Okay, so first we write the model in this way, that is expectation of y1 is equals to alpha 1 1 beta 1 plus alpha 1 2 beta 2 plus dot 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 alpha 1 p beta p. Expectation of y2 is equals to alpha 2 1 beta 1 plus alpha 2 2 beta 2 plus dot 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 alpha 2p beta p. Expectation of yn is equals to alpha n1 beta 1 plus alpha n2 beta 2 plus dot 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 alpha np beta p. Okay, therefore expectation of y1 y2 dot 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 yn is equals to alpha 1 1 alpha 1 2 dot 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 alpha n1 beta 1 plus alpha 1 2 alpha 2 2 dot 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 alpha n2 into beta 2 plus dot 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 alpha 1p alpha 2p dot 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 alpha np multiplied by beta p. Or we can write expectation of y curl is equals to alpha 1 curl beta 1 plus alpha 2 curl beta 2 plus dot 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 alpha p curl beta p, and alpha 1 curl alpha 2 curl dot 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 alpha p curl, they are linearly independent. Okay, and this implies the columns of the matrix X, which is the coefficient matrix, that is alpha 1 curl alpha 2 curl dot 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 alpha 1 curl alpha 2 curl dot 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 alpha p curl, which is a n cross p matrix. Therefore the columns are all independent columns. Therefore rank of X is equals to full column rank, which is p. Therefore the Gauss-Markov model will be a full rank. Okay, so the option the statement 1 is a correct statement. Now let's check the statement 2. In this statement they are told that if all the parameters betas are fixed constant, then the Gauss-Markov linear model is called a fixed effect model. Okay, now it is true because by definition the fixed effect model implies that all the parameters are fixed constants. Therefore C is the correct answer. That is both 1 and 2 are correct statements. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.